I built a specific type of funnel that brought in $1 million in sales in 18 months, even though I was brand new to marketing and I had almost no time because I was a newly single mother raising a newborn child. There he is right there, and he is wild, and he did not sleep. He was awake 24 hours of the day, but with almost no sleep, I was still able to build a profitable business, and I want to share with you how I did it. So whether you're a newbie, and even if you're someone that wants to scale your business, you need, drum roll please, a low ticket funnel. Now you may have heard of it, but if you don't have one, congratulations. You might possibly be making the worst decision you've ever made in your entire life. Like Bob over here. Tell us what's happening, Bob.
I wish I made a low ticket funnel. I lost everything, including my job. You know what I do for work now? You know whenever you're at a parade and horses walk by and they poop out of their butt and falls on the floor and somebody comes and picks up the poop? Yeah, that's what I do. A professional pooper picker-upper. I wish I'd made a low ticket funnel instead.
Okay, maybe I made that up. But let's get serious for a sec. First, I'm going to explain why a low-ticket funnel is the easiest way for a newbie to launch their product and start making money today. Not like weeks from now, months from now, years from now, okay? And then second, I'm going to show you how a low-ticket funnel is also excellent for someone who already has a successful business that wants to bring in super qualified hot leads that want exactly what you are selling. If you have a high-ticket offer, it's crazy because the low-ticket offer actually brings in the people that want the high-ticket offer. It's amazing how it works. First, what's a low-ticket funnel? Well, low ticket funnel is like a website, but like a bajillion times better. It's how you can get sales up front and attract buyers selling something that costs a low amount of money so that you can take them through a journey so that they eventually buy something from you that costs a lot of money. Low ticket funnels are awesome because they separate people who are looking for free stuff from the people who actually like to pull out their credit cards and buy. And you can build this like huge, massive list of buyers. And I'm going to explain to you why that is so valuable here in just a second. Okay, now who is a low ticket funnel for? Who can profit from a low ticket funnel? Well, to put it in a nutshell, literally everybody and their mama needs a low ticket funnel. In fact, this is my mom. Hey mom, do you need a low ticket funnel?
Yes, sweetie.
See? But I'll break it down why it's great for both newbies and already established businesses that want to scale. First, for all the newbies out there, a low ticket funnel looks like this. You can immediately start creating cash flow for your business. Woohoo! You don't have to create a big course or a fancy coaching program. In fact, my very first funnel that I ever released, I earned $1 million in only 18 months selling $19 digital books. I got a super cool Teal Comic Club award. I was invited to speak in front of thousands of people around the world about how I did it. It was so much fun. And I built hundreds of thousands of social media followers, this massive email list, and I finally felt like I had made it. Now, here's a crazy bonus that I got out of it that I had no idea was coming, and this is where you should get really excited. Because of this low ticket funnel, I built this massive email list of buyers. Not random people who signed up for a free thing. These were people who had pulled out their credit cards and bought something from me, meaning they would be willing to buy some more stuff from me in the future. Now, I didn't know that at the time. Now, I finally launched my first $5,000 offer. I sold almost $400,000 worth of tickets for an event that only lasted 3 days. $400,000 in 3 days? Yes, please. And that was because of this huge list that I have. I didn't have any challenges. I didn't have any webinars. I didn't do any masterclasses. I did no lives, like zero, guys. I didn't do any paid ads. I did nothing. All I did was send out a few emails to the email list that I had built using my low ticket funnel. And I built that list profitably. So I built this huge email list profitably by selling low ticket. And then whenever I decided to sell high ticket items, which cost thousands of dollars and more, now I was able to sell so much, so fast because I had this huge email list that already knew me, liked me, and wanted to buy stuff from me. As a newbie, the other big bonus is, let's say you don't feel ready to launch like a high ticket offer or a big coaching program. Maybe you're still getting your confidence. That's what's so great about low ticket offers. You're able to offer just something small, and you're able to build your confidence while you're still earning money, getting good at what you're doing, learning more about your customer, and getting excited and confident about launching your high ticket offer. Second, now let me explain how an already existing successful business that has a proven offer that already is in business making sales can actually use a low ticket funnel to grow and scale to the moon. By selling a low ticket product on the front end, you are once again bringing in buttloads, yes, buttloads, of qualified buyers that want what you're selling. These are super hot qualified buyers and leads for your higher priced offers. Now, these aren't people that are skimming the internet looking for free stuff. They've already proven that they're buyers once again because they've already bought from you. Now, at this point, these are the people that you have way more chances of selling your high-ticket product or service to than some random person who's never heard of you. And having a list of buyers is wildly different than having an email list of non-buyers. Imagine if you walked up to someone and you shook their hand and they were like, "Hi," and you said, "Hi, nice to meet you. Do you want to spend $10,000 with me today?" Usually the answer is going to be no. Let's say you're a marriage coach and someone's bought something small from you, like they've bought a how to have date night with your loved one, or, 5 new amazing ways to, spice up your marriage. And they've seen that you know what you talk about. They've seen that you're an expert. They've seen that you're an authority. They've grown trust with you, and they're like, hey, they know what they're talking about. Then when it's time for you to sell, like maybe do a $10,000 retreat, maybe do a $15,000 coaching program, because they've already trusted you and they've been exposed to your material, now they're going to go, if I'm going to buy from anybody, it's going to be that person. They're not usually going to go buy from an anonymous person. That's why this is so valuable for you. Low ticket funnels are great for authors, coaches in literally every niche, info products, agencies, service-based businesses, brick and mortar stores, literally anyone. And did you know that I even earned another 2 Comic Club award for doing a few $1 million in sales for a cologne company? Guys, we were selling a cologne that nobody had ever smelled online. That's insane. We sold millions of dollars of a cologne company that literally nobody had smelled, and it was all because we had a low ticket funnel. These were $39 products. But there's a science to it, and there's a specific step-by-step process that I have now replicated over and over and over again in dozens of my funnels that have all continuously been profitable. I do the same thing every time. And I want to share with you that step-by-step process and show you my ninja method. Hiya. This is great for anybody that wants to launch an entire new business, or for an existing business that wants more buyers, which is literally every business. So check below and you'll find the opportunity to learn more about how you can launch a low ticket funnel too. Check it out.